Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be delving into the world of teas and showing you 4 scientifically proven teas that can help alleviate symptoms of anxiety. Now sadly, anxiety plagues millions of us worldwide and it is important to seek professional help. However, it is useful to know how some teas that are easy to get, have compounds that can help relieve some of these symptoms. So let's delve into the science of it. These teas smell so beautiful. Now, before we begin, it is crucial to note that while these teas can offer relief from some of your symptoms of anxiety, they should not be used as a substitute for professional treatment, and always seek guidance from your healthcare provider before you begin or before you explore. So the first tea I'm going to show you is not technically a tea because it doesn't come from the Camellia sinensis plant. In fact, it comes from the flower of the lavender plant, and lavender has been used for centuries to promote relaxation and calm. You'll find it a lot in candles, in bath products, because its scent is naturally calming on the body. And this is down to 2 very important substances called linalool and linaloyl acetate. And what it does is it calms the nervous system. Now in a tea, it is very, very delicate, which is why I want to show you this one first. It is light in body, it is lightly floral, slightly herbal, and has a evergreen woody type scent. Very, very similar almost to the rosemary. And sipping this tea is so pleasant because its aroma is full, it calms the mind, calms the body, and it's also a very, very pleasant sweet drink if you love the scent of lavender. So it's highly, highly recommended throughout the day, not just before bed. And the best thing about it, it is caffeine free. Number 2 is also a botanical that doesn't come from the Camellia sinensis plant. In fact, it comes from the flower of the chamomile plant. And chamomile is a very popular blend that a lot of people drink before bed because of its calming properties. And it's been used for centuries by many different cultures to promote a state of calm and relaxation. And for good reason. It has a very interesting active ingredient called apigenin, and apigenin is an antioxidant that helps alleviate symptoms of anxiety and helps the body remain calm. And studies have shown that drinking chamomile consistently for a long period of time effectively can reduce symptoms of anxiety. Now, some of you might not like the flavors of chamomile, but I really do believe it's down to the quality. Say, good chamomile should give you a nice, deep, intense golden color. It should be intensely sweet, honey-like apples, hay, and have a very, very mellow, smooth flavor. Now, if you don't like the taste of chamomile, it could be because you just haven't found the right type. A lot of the chamomile from the supermarket does not give you that intense flavor because of the quality. Always look for good quality whole flowers, and that should give you a more intensely sweet floral flavor with apples and hay. It's certainly beautiful if you find the right one. The third tea is also botanical, and it comes from the leaves of the peppermint plant. Peppermint is another popular tea a lot of people drink for calm and relaxation. It is naturally caffeine free, and its active ingredient is the menthol it has in its leaves. And menthol is really good for muscle relaxation that can help alleviate symptoms of anxiety. Highly recommended, especially after a meal or 2 hours before bed. One that contains caffeine is green tea. Green tea is a powerhouse of antioxidants, and it is well known for a substance called L-theanine. This compound called L-theanine has been linked to reduction of stress and anxiety levels through increasing calming neurotransmitters such as GABA. Studies have shown that if you sip green tea consistently over a long period of time, this can greatly help manage anxiety levels. So if you're struggling from stress and anxiety, I hope you enjoyed this video and found the tips useful. If you're struggling to get to sleep each night because you're anxious, my suggestion would be start with botanicals first. So your lavender, chamomile, and mint. They're naturally caffeine-free and will have no impact on your sleep. Leave the green teas for early on in the morning when you need a lift and a boost. It can really help manage your anxiety levels during the day. Please do let me know if you have tried any of these teas and if they worked for you, and let me know if you'd like to hear more on how teas can bring wellness into your lives. Follow me for more tea tips.